Saan na sila? Sipar ko. La 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 la. Alam, pakita natin to. Tingnan mo, pakita. Ganda dito ah. Ganda ng rugal nito ah. Oy. Di mo kaya to. Ah, bakit? Skin yummy. Ay ka ba? No, mas maganda pa yung sayaw ko. Tignan mo. O bakit? Paano nga yung sayaw mo? Paano nga yung sayaw mo? Sige nga, paano nga yung sabay? Hindi mo alam pangalan mo. Hindi mo alam pangalan mo. Boom, boom, boom. Ayoko na. Ba't na dito? May iba na sang tao. Ayan, hindi niya alam pangalan niya. Oh, di ba? Ganda ng sayaw ko. Asking good. Yung pangit naman, pakita ng kilikili mo. Pakita ko to. Ang ganda dito ah. Ng rugal nito ah. Boom, patay na ng araw. Anong oras na? Kapit na ng oras na? 5:37. Ganda dito ah. Yun ah. Ayan. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream dude. Iberiyaki. Ang yummy. Dude. Iberiyaki. Hey! Bakit? Paano nga yung sayo mo? Sige, no. Ang baho na kaligil mo.
You dare that? I'ma kill you. You will regret it.
Oy par, paduin mo nga to, ha? Oy, ang sabi mo?
You look ugly.
Sana yun? Wala naman eh. Ganyan lang.
Haya! Patay ka na.
Oy, par. Ah.
Oh.
Ayan, hindi mo alam. Hindi mo alam pangalan mo. Iba kang tao. Iba din yung mukha.
Hehe. Mamamatay ka na.
Wala!
Una putol kamay ko. Ay, kamay mo. Pinutol ko kamay mo.
Layo na kami din eh.
Next.
Ayan. Wait. I'm back to the heaven.
Dapat dibo, may dibo ka.
Oy.
Ayaw mo ng program?
Hey. Hey.
Oy, ay,
Hey. Hey.
Hey.
Wanna dance?
Sway, we. Ayo, bro. Uy.
Tumahimik ka.
Speak English, bro.
Okay, bro.
You're not speaking.
I'm speaking. Give me my sword.
Sunod na birthday mo na. 25
Pakita ko.
Bye-bye.
Pagka 25.
Bye-bye.
Ito.
What's your name?
My name? You don't know my name. You don't know my name. You don't know my name.
Give me my sword, bro.
What?
27 pala.
You don't know what?
7.
Ang
Ay,
good.
aeroplano! Philippines to, hindi to American. Hey, where's the Pinbagger? What?
La.
Hey!
Ganda ng ragal nito ah. Ganda.
What is that?
You
Hey.
are not speaking English.
Hey, if you don't wanna, if you don't wanna your sword, you don't want your sword or want?
Where's my sword, bro?
Just wait, bro. Just wait,
Right
bro.
now.
Just wait.
Wala ko mag-picture. Bakit? What? What? What did you say, bro?
Dominic, hindi ka na naka-hotspot.
Hotspot.
Sa cellphone.
Hey,
Hey.
you wanna know my name or not?
Not.
Why?
Because you're hungry.
I'm not your mirror.
Pro ka na, Adol?
So you wanna fight?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm Zeus, bro.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's fight then. This is my sword, don't mind it. Oh. Well, look, because of you. Head back.
Trash.
Give me my hand back now.
Not.
Why?
I'm trapped in.
Hey, give me my hand back. Thanks. You get my back. Hey, that's my sword.
You say. Not. It's my sword.
Hoy! You're under arrest for being
What?
criminal.
What did you say, bro?
Ba, usap-usap kayo dyan. Hindi ako makatulog.
What did you say?
Bubugin natin yan.
What did you say, bro? What did you say, bro?
What did you say, bro? What did you say, bro?
What are you doing?
Huh?
We're fighting you.
Huh?
We're fighting you. And why are you so happy about it? Oh, I fell for it.
Nandito kami.
Hey, give me my sword back.
It's my sword, bro.
It's not that sword, the diamond sword. The diamond sword. Where's the
It's my
diamond?
sword.
I said the diamond sword. Give me that back.
Let's mining from mining area.
I don't know.
Kailan lang ah? Isang taon pa lang kayo.
And why
But
do
I-
why
but
why
I
do
kill
you
you.
ask? Oh no, my
I
hand.
kill you.
My hand.
Kasi nga,
Oh hell no, don't.
At ito yung
Help dito kami.
Di
Uy,
nga-
ang sakit.
Ala, kinuha niyo sa
Bro, my hand. My hand. I lost everything because of you. Lost everything because of you.
What are you doing?
We are fighting. You know why?
You're safe. What did you say, bro?
Ask him yummy.
I punch
Bro.
you. Bro.
My, give me my leg back.
Hey.
My leg. You will regret it tomorrow. You will regret it tomorrow.
Next day. Oh, yeah.
What are you doing there?
How are you doing? Why?
What? What did you
Hey,
say, bro?
Manuimik daw.
What? What did you say?
I got some pies for you.
I see.
Hey. What did you say, bro? What?
I said
I saw you know.
that we're best friends.
Friends,
What did you say? What did you say?
I see.
Shut
What?
your
What did you say?
mouth.
Are you Chinese?
My
Huh?
hand.
Sup up.
My hand
Sup
fell
hop?
for you.
What is a sap hat?
Ice cream
Hey,
yummy.
what is a sap hat?
Ice cream game.
Sasapat ka kasi.
Sap hat?
Sapak kita.
I punch you.
Hell yeah! You wanna punch me? Punch. Punch me. Oh, now you will not get your sword back, huh?
Sup up daw.
You are.
Ala, nasan na yung ano?
You. I kill you.
What are you doing?
Where are you?
What are you doing? Wait. What?
Nasan na yung hand?
pero napaayos na lang.
I don't, wala akong kamay.
Bakit naman?
Naputol.
May
Kasalanan mo, inano mo.
ano yun?
This is my butt.
My cousin. La 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 la. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shut up.
Hey!
No! It's part is you.
Wala ang kamay ko.
Sige, bago. Bakit naman?
What did...
Okay,
Speaking English. I know.
You.
What?
Speaking English. What you?
Okay.
What did you say, bro? You mati-gati of you. What?
What did you say?
What did you say?
What did you
Ala, tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Sumama ka sa My name is Tas. Why? He didn't do anything. Oh, he got
What are
killed.
you doing?
Ah!
Sige, sipa
I
niyo
fell
ako.
for it.
What?
Just
What did you
kidding.
say? Wala akong ginagawa ko sa'yo. What did you Get out! Hey! Let's play, bro!
Okay.
Hide and seek.
Okay. Who's the seeker?
She, you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Kala ko ayaw mo. 4. 6, 7, 8, 9.
Where are you? Oh, my hand. Uy, ako na yun. Ako na yun.
Oh,
I kill you, bro. Wala, putol. Hey! Wala, opang. Wait! What are you doing? What did you say, bro? That's me. I'm fighting you. Ano? Ay, hindi. Pinutol na yung ulo nun.
statue ako.
Bakit ka nakakasalita?
Kaya nga pangalan ko, Ta-cho. Tinanggal nyo ang...
Ara!
Did you? Dati nandiyan din sila Richard, diyan ako din. Si Alex,
Eh,
Richard.
hindi daw siya nagkasalita.
La 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 la. Ah! Aray, bakit? What are you doing?
What are you doing daw?
Pagbabahan kasi ng yung this week si Eric. Anak nila, di ba? Anak nila sa ama, di ba? Asa na kayo? May karong ko si Eric.
Hey, you're arrested for being kidnap the hair.
Ewan ko na tuloy si Belgium yun.
I have a power, bro.
Ay, hindi. Hindi pala siya inaasar namin, yung tropa lang nila. May tropa silang tingin na dun eh.
Wow!
Where's my hair?
Pangalan ng tropa.
Ay! Kunyari kanto.
Sakit na yun pag hindi naging itim mo yung paa. Pag nangitim ang paa sa ilalim, may sakit na yun. Hindi yung kasama niya. Kabayos.
Where are you?
You're arrested. Why?
Kasi yung
I will eat.
karne,
Onion.